Myself, Sunny Kumar. I am belongs in Patna. I have enrolls in Evision Techno Service Private Limited. In Evisions, in 45 days training periods in learning experience in Evision, there are all topics related to networking, CCNA, Linux, Windows Server, cybersecurity. All these sessions through the online explain everything in a simple and practically way to the working as a real-time projects. He did mock interview and and revision, solving and preparation for the interview. And the best part of the revision, there will be placed in MNC company. I really appreciate on this platform. And I can got selected in Precious Information Private Limited. I completed the course of Evisions, the best platform of Evisions, and who wants to started the career in the IT, just go and train, go and follow the instruction and train, and he can achieve all those. Thank you.